What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Bueno here. Today is the first vlog, first ever video for my 2018 WRX. As we see right here, we have a used 2018 WRX base model, pearl white. And today we're going to be doing a couple things here. As you can see, I do not have a front license plate. I actually bought a relocator kit right there. Well, that's where it's going to be going. And then I got this nice aluminum engraved WRX license replacement up front, so it looks pretty mean. But today is going to be a little bit of a task. One, we have a Perrin relocator kit and a Perrin, and here's the relocator kit, Perrin tow hook, and in this box we have the Subaru OEM relocator kit and tow hook caps. So originally, when you buy a car, these right here have caps on it, so you just see this little circle, and then people obviously pop the cap out, put the relocator kit on it, put a tow hook up from front, you know, anything like that. So the previous owner definitely threw me for a loop here. He destroyed the clutch, so I had to get that replaced. And since he destroyed the clutch, I was pretty scared that he might have done something to the engine, so I got a compression test. But all pistons and all cylinders are running all evenly across the board. So right now, those two things are taken care of. We got a brand new clutch, you know, engine's good for further, like, you know, modifications that we're gonna be doing. He also threw on these ugly mud flaps, and they're not even. Look at these things. They stick out like a sore thumb. Oh my god. I'm not a big fan of mud flaps. I do see a lot of people with Subarus like throw on rally armor and stuff like that. I might get some in the future, but those things need to come off because it just hurts. It just hurts to look at. Today, I got this stuff in the mail a couple days ago. Put it together. Super simple. Here's the stem. You put a washer there. You take the bolt, screw it in with another washer. Add as many washers as you want for clearance in front of the tow hook or from the tow hook to your car. Same with this thing. Bolt, washer, plate, washer, stem. We're gonna all add that on today. Make sure it's good, looks good. But, like I said, we have these tow caps. Just gotta get them out. Front one, back one. I bought them, they were $20 to get them both painted. I think I ordered them, they were like, oh, we can get you the rear one painted pearl white, and that was like $40 for this. $40 painted pearl white, $40. So both of these combined were $20, so I'm gonna take acetone, factory finish them, take the factory finish off with the acetone, spray paint them white, because obviously they're not gonna be really seen by anybody because the tow hook and the relocator kit are gonna be blocking it. But I do not like when you see, here I'll show you. I'll show you on the tow hook. You see everybody running around with these tow hooks, right? That's fine, look cool. Add a nice little accent to the car because I do have a white car, so black accents do look good. But look, I put this tow hook in, right? And then you have this gaping hole around it. To me, ugly. Ugly, 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 ugly. So we're gonna be fixing that. So basically, I'm gonna go through in the car, screw on all of the relocator kit and the tow hook, and then we are going to then cut the caps so it's flush with the caps. So it looks like I just basically drilled it in, and now it's all one part of the car. Okay, guys. So put the tow cap on, and I just traced from the top of where I measured. Trace the actual hexagon of the stem of the relocator kit, and then now I'm gonna actually go drill this out, so bear with me here. We're gonna drill a hole. Let's see how this goes. Doesn't look like it's gonna go well for me. Guys and girls, what a goddamn monstrosity. Let me tell you that right now. First off, I had a 1/2 inch drill bit, and I kept just going in and out, in and out, in and out. And then I find this beautiful 3/4, like, I don't know the actual term for that tool, and I know this is gonna look ugly. This kills me. I have OCD and I want things to look nice, but I just absolutely destroyed this front toe cap. So it looks a little rough, I know. I just got excited. I was like, I got the actual stem of it fits perfectly. We're all, we're killing it. And then I just go and spray paint it white, and then the white just slides right off. So I have acetone, got as much paint of it off as possible. So now I'm gonna spray paint it white, put the toe cap on, and when I put the toe cap on, we'll actually put on the relocator kit, and we'll be looking sharp. Well, I could probably officially say that I'm a dumbass, because I was sitting there in front of the car screwing this freaking stem piece for the relocator kit. Just keep going, spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning. I'm like, what the hell? And then I come to realize, like, maybe I have the wrong stem. And what do you know? I have the wrong stem. So we got the stem in, we got the toe cap on. So this is what it looks like right now. Obviously, you can tell the different color, but it does look way better when you actually have the toe cap in with the actual stem in. I'm just gonna hand tighten this real quick. It says 50 pounds to 45 pounds for torque wrenching it. Obviously, like I said, I don't have a torque wrench. So what I'm gonna do, actually, you don't even need to add any more washers. Like, there's already probably 1.5 inches space between it. And then to tighten it, I just have a 16 mil ratchet or socket. Make sure she looks straight. This just needs to come down right there. Okay, she ain't going nowhere, I'm gonna tell you that right now. And I don't know if I said this before, but I bought Cobb license plate frames. But since I ordered this from Perrin, I'm gonna wrap Perrin and Cobb, one in the front, Perrin on the front, Cobb on the back. You just gotta wrap two good companies. If for some reason this is shared and a Cobb representative or a Perrin representative sees it, if you want to hit me up and sponsor the build, sure. If not, okay, doesn't hurt my feelings. Obviously, that stuff comes in time. But if you want to sponsor it, let's talk. Let's talk. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. So this is what a Perrin relocator kit looks like on your car. Got the WRX replacement for the license plate, and then obviously you come over the top. Obviously the colors are going to be a little bit different, but that looks so much cleaner. The tow hook's on, looks good. Paint definitely does not match as well as I thought it would. Maybe going gloss white wasn't the best idea, because that's like super bright white. My car is dirty, but even if I were to take, like the cleanest part of my car and match it up to the gloss white, you're gonna tell the difference. So this is what the weird tow hook looks like. I mean, it looks good. I got it to like fit perfectly. I think I'm going to have to go to Subaru and get it painted, because that's just gonna bug the shit out of me. My OCD is just gonna kill me for that. So, but all in all, it was a success in the sense that I was able to take the toe cap, drill a hole through it, get all of that perfectly fitted, get the look that I was looking for. And that's what I like the most about this. Obviously, learning curve, learn from my mistakes. Super easy. Obviously, get the right paint. If you had a black car, black paint would probably look way better than what I got going on here, but it's all right. We'll get it touched up, we'll get it fixed, it's gonna look good. So this is gonna be quite a long video. If you watch till the end, thank you. If you want to support the channel, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Other than that, guys, that's all I got for you. Until the next one, I'm your boy Blano. Peace out. Got so excited about doing an outro, I guess I forgot a lot of other things I should probably say. One, I'll leave the link in the description to my Instagram if you want to follow me there, or you can also keep updated with what I'm doing with the car and just my life in general if you're interested. Two, I'll leave the link in the description for the relocator kit and the tow hook for you guys. And if you guys have an STI or a WRX, I found this a replacement for your license plate, and that's where I got this WRX. It's made of aluminum, and then he engraves the WRX or the STI in there for you. So if you guys want that, I will also leave the link in the description below for you guys on that. Now, that is a correct outro. I'll see you guys next time.
Sound right, boys.